Let's be honest, PlayStation 4 games are amazing, but not everyone wants to buy the console just to play Spider-Man or God of War. That's where emulators come in, turning your PC into a virtual PS4, minus the plastic box and fan noise. So here are the best PS4 emulators for PC, and in this video I'll show you which one should you actually use. First up, we've got Orbital. That one's legit. It's still in development, but it's the only emulator that's been aiming for full compatibility with actual PS4 hardware. It's open source, stable-ish, but don't expect to boot up AAA titles just yet. G2 reviews call it a promising project, but not quite plug and play. Then there is PCSX4. It looks great on paper, claiming 60 frames per second gameplay and high compatibility. But here's the thing. It's being flagged in multiple forums for being sketchy. Some Trustpilot users even call it a scam with a nice website. Ouch. And finally, you have Kite. It's the new kid on the block, and it actually runs some commercial PS4 games and PS5 homebrews. Still experimental, but users on Reddit are surprisingly optimistic. It's actively being developed and it's free. So, which one should you go for? If you want safety and steady progress, then go with Orbital. Feeling adventurous? Try Kite. Avoid anything that sounds too good to be true, because it probably is. As for PCSX4, well, I've used it many years ago for PlayStation 2 emulation and it did actually work. However, for PlayStation 4, I am a bit wary, so you can go ahead and try it if you want to on your own responsibility. Don't forget to like the video and smash that subscribe button if it helped you. See you all in the next one.